1:45 a.m. of a Friday night, which means that I don't have university tomorrow. Yay! Honestly, university is so tiring and hectic that I don't get to see a lot of dramas on those days. We already have quizzes and assignments, and because of it, I don't really want to use phone that much after being done with my work. So I don't get to see a lot of dramas on those days. But there's been this drama that I've wanted to start since long. So now I'm gonna start it today. So the drama that I wanted to watch is Little Women, starring Kim Gon and Park Ji-woo. I've watched Kim Gon in Goblin, and her acting was good. She was cute in it. And Park Ji-woo is love because of her character of Onju in All of Us Are Dead. I'm really looking forward to this drama since Little Women, the novel, and all its previous movies have been my favorite, especially the one that was released in 2019. Damn, that was such a masterpiece. I can literally watch it for the 1000th time. Not even exaggerating. It's gold. It's gold. Yeah. I literally loved every single bit of that movie. The direction, it was plausible. The setup, they had to set all of it up because it was shot in Louisa May Alcott's previous home, where she really spent her childhood. So they really set it up. And it wasn't snowing at that time, so they also had to prepare it. So I really liked all these details of it. And the acting was so amazing. You could really feel the emotions of all the characters. Or whether it's Laurie or Joe or Amy or Meg and Watson. Anyways, the acting was very good. They really brought the characters to life, and you could just feel their emotions. It was as if we just knew that when the characters were genuine and when they were not. It was so evident that Laurie did not like at all when Joe was approaching that teacher. And also when he was oh yeah, you were right, Joe, I feel the way I feel for Amy is different. You still haven't moved on from Joe. The way those actors brought the characters to life is amazing, and nobody could have done it better than them. No other actor. Timothy did such a great job. Saoirse Ronan, and Florence Pugh, Emma Watson. Even the older characters were so good at acting. Aunt March and everyone. I really appreciate the director a lot as well. The way she transitioned everything from past to present and from present to past. It was just amazing. It was just mind blowing. One moment Joe wakes up and Beth is all fine. And then the next time she wakes up, Beth dies. That scene was very emotional. Also, the director Greta, she was also the screenplay writer. So she went in depth to analyze what Louisa May Alcott was going through. She also read her letters to feel her emotions. Just what she would have said at the moment. She portrayed it in such a perfect way. She showed that Joe, Louisa, she also wanted to marry. But because of the society thinking that women are weak and they just need a man to survive and they just exist because of men and stuff, she just did not marry. Although she wanted to at a later stage. And the way she was so heartbroken when Laurie told her that he and Amy got together. Sadness. Damn, I can really like talk about Little Women for hours and hours. Anyways, let's come back to the Korean drama Little Women, and like since I'm gonna watch it, so let's make some snacks. Let's make the blazing noodles. Light is burning, I think. Let's make the blazing noodles. I think this light is a lot better. Blazing noodles. Honestly, it looks so good. Now let's put on the drama and let it cool down because it's hot. Let's start playing.
우리 중에선 니코가 제일 귀엽지. 난 그런 거 말고 뭔가 입체적이고 기적적이고 원해. 아니, 너 수학여행 가고 싶은 거 아니었어? 누구로? 응. 응. 고마워, 언니들.
Wow, it's so late. I'll just go to sleep. Although, like, I haven't even finished one episode of Little Women, but I'll just go to sleep. Like, it's kind of late, so I'll just continue watching it later. I'll try if like I can watch it in weekdays. Like, I should continue watching it because like it's going to end soon, so I'll watch it in weekdays. Yeah, like I really liked acting of all the characters in it as well. Like, of course, as expected, K-drama, K-actors, best. Thanks for watching the vlog. I hope to upload more good videos. Love this.